All right, this is the 2017 Subaru Impreza. I am going to show you how to turn on the windshield wipers, how to turn them off, as well as work the windshield washer fluid so you can wash your windshield. So I'm in the driver's side part of the vehicle, as you can see. All right, and so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to turn on the windshield wipers, and the controls for that are right here. Do you see this lever right here? It is to the right of the steering wheel. As you can see, the steering wheel column right here. All I have to do is go in here, look at it. That controls the speed, but this right here controls like how fast it goes. If I were to pull it up just once, like that, it just wipes the windshield one time. But in order to turn it on to where they're automatically going, like once they're on, I press it down for low speed for once, and down twice or three times for a faster speed, as you can see. In order to turn them off, I'm just going to go back up, pull it up, and turn it off. Okay, now that's how you do that. And you can control the rear windshield wiper by clicking that upwards, and you turn on the rear windshield wiper. Right? Click it one more time and it goes faster, as you can see. All right, now in order to get windshield washer fluid to spray out on the rear, I just twist it that way, and as you can see in the back, windshield washer fluid is spraying out. In order to do it for the front windshield, I'm going to pull this way, and as you can see, windshield washer fluid is coming out there. And that's how you operate the windshield wipers in the 2017 Subaru Impreza. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks a lot for watching.